Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to remove white background from handwritten scan signature. Let's get started. Firstly, open the ChatGPT and click the plus button, upload the handwritten signature and write the prompt and hit enter. Wait the some time. Now double click on the image and click the download button and open this signature. Now check the background is removed. You can more and more image white background remove and make it PNG transparent. Just upload the image and write the prompt. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments, share. Thanks for watching.